कवर नहीं करेगा चला है जबरदस्त लगे करो
Yes, everyone is visible now. Wow. Okay.
okay so now make a wish make a wish make a wish oh my god अरे माने लाइट लेके फेस पे जाएगा फेस पे हां आई नीड फेस पे स्पून स्पून Come, everybody come this side. Jeff, तुम्हें picture मिलेगा now. This side. Yeah, come everybody film both sides. Both sides.
Okay, you need a chaku, right?
Now, as we take chaku.
Stinky bits and feet? Well, I'm a board certified dermatologist and I've got the fix with Native's new whole body DNA.
Nandini, Devjani, and
Thank you, Pampa, for inviting us. It was very nice. Thank you so much.
When the chips in the crib, mom, drop it like it's hot.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting us.
Thank you so much for inviting us.
আজ গুন 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 গুঞ্জে Hey Pompa, wish you a very happy birthday. Happy birthday, darling.
Hey Pampa, Priyanka here. Happy birthday to you. Many more to come. The party was awesome. You were looking very pretty in that blue dress. Wish you very, very happy birthday one more time.
Many many happy returns of the day पंपा. God bless you. तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000 और इसी तरह से बुलाते रहो हर साल, पार्टी करते रहे, खूब डांस करें. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, dear Pampa. Wish you a lot of happiness, love, and good wishes. I love you a lot.
Hi Pampa, wishing you a beautiful birthday this year. खूब सारा मजा करना and keep looking beautiful.
Hi Pampa, happy many returns of the day and happy birthday to you. Enjoy your whole life and so much thank you for inviting us. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Pampa, happy birthday to you. Ready? Hello Pampa, wish you many happy returns of the day. ऐसे ही हंसते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो. तुम बहुत प्यारी हो हम लोगों के लिए, राज दुलारी हो. Mwah. Hi Pumpa, how are you? My best wishes for you for happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day and God makes your all the dreams comes true. इस दुनिया की हर खुशी आपको मिले और हमेशा खुश रहे. आपने इतने हम सब दोस्तों को बुला के आज तूने ये पार्टी जो हम लोगों के लिए किया है, बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत खुशी मिली एंड ऐसे ही तुम्हारी लाइफ में हमेशा खुशी रहे, यही मेरी दुआ है. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू पंपा.
Put Jesus first. When you wake up in the morning, put him first. When you're tired, put him first. When you've got so much going on and it's so busy and there's so much to do, put him first.